Hey, this is Matt Dehan with Dehan Painting. On this deck, the homeowner had replaced the flooring and stairs with new pressure-treated lumber and kept the existing handrails and didn't replace those. On this project, we decided to use Cutek oil on the floor and stairs and use Sherwin-Williams Super Deck 9600 on the handrails. We decided to use Cutek stain for the floor and the stairs because it's a beautiful finish, has easy maintenance, and is great for pets like dogs. For the initial application, this wood needs to be cleaned and brightened, and once that process is complete and the wood is dry, we apply 2 coats of stain with plenty of time to dry in between coats. We normally like to wait 24 hours or more before applying that second coat, and this allows that first coat to absorb completely into the wood. The labor cost for using Cutek is a little bit more than other stains because you can't just apply 2 coats in one day. You have to wait for that first coat to absorb before you do the next. So the labor cost in production is a little bit higher than a different type of stain. But in my opinion, that comes out in the maintenance. Where other products are going to cost more for maintenance, I believe Cutek costs less. Other stains are going to need sanding, they're going to need stripping, and that takes labor. Where Cutek, you don't have to do that. There's no surface film, so there's no chipping, there's no peeling. All you do is clean it and recoat it with 1 application of Cutek stain. And that's a huge savings because you're not over time having to do that extra labor. The handrails on this deck had a solid stain on them, so we decided to go back over that with Sherwin-Williams 9600. This is a self-priming solid stain, and this does really, really well on older weathered wood. And here's a full view of the deck, and I think it came out amazing.